ang tagumpay. Tulungan ng kapwa, bigyang halaga, huwag akin ng baba. Isipin wag sana ang sarilang pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong na ikaw ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan. Bayaning Pilipino sa makabagong panahon. Hina't hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagbabantay, tiwalat sa Diyos ang salat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong at likawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ng kinabukasan.
Hi, I'm Peter Paul Maneha, 28 years old from Barangay 110, Utap, Tacloban City. Nag-join ako kay gusto ko makita ko tak self kung hay na ako nag-improve, and at the same time, I want to live my life a remarkable and touch people's heart.
Okay lang. The first ever champion of Iniitak Idol 2024 is no other than Peter Paul Maneha!
Congratulations to Peter Paul Maneha! Our first ever Iniitak Idol 2024 Grand Champion!
I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream in me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echo fade? Take my hand, feel share this with me, 'cause darling, All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough for me. Yeah. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough for me.